Hello guys, in this video we're going to be looking at input and output in C. So how to print on screen and how to collect users information. So we've seen that before. We can use the printf, right, to print on screen, right. So whatever I want to print on screen, we can use the printf to print on screen. Now, but the correct syntax is, I'm just going to write this. So whenever we want to print, we use a printf. So we can have some formatted text here, like formatted text, and then we have comma, and then we have some values here, for example. All right, so for example, I can do integer a to be 10, then I do printf value of a, and I put there comma a, right, and I put there %d backslash n, right. So if I print this, so I have not put return 0, right. So if I run this, right, so it print on screen the value of a is 10. Now the words are joined because I don't have any backslash n here. So if I redo that, then I have this. Now if I was dealing with a character, for example, I can do char c is equals to let's say a grade, right. Then I can do printf %c comma then c, right. So I can do the backslash n, or I put grade is, right, and it's going to display me that the grade there is a, right. So basically these are the things that we can do with the printf statement. So definitely if it was a floating point number, so it's going to be also be float. Now we're going to use %s. Now we can use the scanf. So we can use the scanf function to get user input, right. So for example, I can say printf enter your age backslash n, then integer age, then I can do scanf %d. Then now look, we're going to use a %age, right, to store the age. So this is actually the address location in memory, right. So the @ sign they act as the address location is, so address operator is necessary because we want to pass the variable to where actually it is stored in memory. And then now I can do a printf statement to say that you are %d years old today backslash n, then I have age, right. So you see I ask the person to enter the age, so I'm going to enter 35. Tell me you're 35 years old today without an S. Okay. Right. So basically this is how we use the input and output functions in C. So I'm going to leave you with a simple exercise that you should write a program that takes in the age, height, and salary of employees and display on screen. So that is the assignment that you're going to do. So you can write this and then you drop it in the comment section. So if you found this video interesting, you like, you share, you subscribe, and also click on the bell icon so that you receive notification each time that I drop a new post. So in our next video, we're going to be looking at operators in C.